Yo, what's up, everybody? I'm back. I know I've been gone for a minute. I apologize. Just haven't had any new things to film lately, but I got some hood struts for this Lincoln right here. Uh, this will be, I don't know, maybe my third time replacing these hood struts. When I first got this car, it had some hood struts on it that were just totally garbage. The hood was hard to close. Uh, Open it was kind of a stretch. It would be hard on the hood. I took that shit off. I took those junks off. I went to the junkyard, got hood struts off of 92 Crown Vic. These are the ones that I currently have in here right now. And as you can see, when I let go, it just says nope. So those hood struts, they're gone. They're no good. A couple days ago, I went to the junkyard and I got some hood struts off of 97 Crown Vic. Now the 92 and 97 Crown Vics, they'll work on the town cars for the hood struts. So I got them. I'll put them on and we'll be right back. Boom. There you have it, guys. Got these hood struts on. These are the junk ones. And they work. These works just fine. I got these hood struts off of 97 Crown Vic. You can get any 92 to 97 if you need to replace your hood struts on the 98 to 02 town cars. Oh yeah, that's what I love to see, fixing things. Well, that's gonna do it, guys. I'm glad you guys are back. Thank you for watching. I'm glad to be back, and I got some more videos coming up, so stay tuned. See you on the next one.